All right. Remember, we're going to listen and write the letters to spell the sound. Here we go. Number one. Number one. Watch my mouth. Write the uppercase and lowercase for number one. Cover your work so that everybody's brain is doing their own thinking. That's right. Hold it close to you. I see a few people ready. Okay, let's skip to number two. Watch my mouth. Uppercase and lowercase for number two. I see a lot of pencils going up. I like that. That's how I know. You take care of you. If you gotta keep moving, okay? Number three. My pen is pointing to number three right there. Write it. Alex, use the sound card if you need help. Scoot, 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 scoot up. Go, go, yep. Nope, stay still. Cover your paper. I see people that are taking other people's answers. Don't let people take yours. Everybody's brain has to work on their own. All right, we got to go on to number four, guys. We can't wait and wait and wait. We got to keep going. Number four. Number four is Write it. If you don't know it, you got to skip it and keep going. Number five. Number five is t. Good, Aiden. Okay, jump back up to number six. Number six is, watch me, Hudson. Eh. Write it. Eh. Close to you. Scooch up more, Lindy. Okay. Number seven. Number seven is B. B. Write it. B. I like seeing people hold it close. That means they're helping everybody do their own work. All right, number eight. Number eight. Number eight is P. know it, we'll have to skip it. Number 9 is next. Number 9. Ah. Ah. Use your hand to keep covered or keep it close to you. That way everybody's brains are working. Ah. I see a few pencils up. Okay. Number 10. Number 10. Write it. Write it. Write what you think. Okay, skip back up to number 11. Up to number 11. Watch my mouth. Write it. Cover, cover, cover. Okay, last one for today, number 12. Last one. D. D. Write it. Write it. D. Got those? Raise your hand if you missed one and you want me to say it again. What number? What number is that? Number 4. Check your number 4. Make sure you've got
Don't look at other people's paper, Alex.
Just do yours. You know it. Blakely, what number did you need to hear? 7. B. B. Anybody else? All right. Guys, down here at the bottom, right here it says, use the sounds to read the words. Use the sounds to read the words. Are you ready? I'm going to use my pointer. You all help me read. What's that first? That's one of our new ones. Ravi Rhino. What sound? Alligator. Ah. Mika Moth. So we're going to tap it on our arm. You ready? Ah. Put it together. Ram. What is that word? Ram. Like there's an animal called a ram. It's got those big horns that curl around. Okay? All right, number 2. Finny fish. What sound? Iggy inchworm is I. And Tyra tiger. T. So let's do that on our arm. Ready? It. What is that word? Fit. Good job. Hey, look at this one. C is Carla cat. What sound? K. Alligator. Ah. So we've got k, t, k, at. Put it together. Cat. Good job. One more, number 4. Mika Moth. And Devon Duck. D. So we've got add. Mad. Mad. Like, don't make me mad. You got it. All right. Let me get my book, turn to my page. We're ready to write some words, aren't we? All right. Number 1 in the box that says use the sounds to write the words. Are you ready? Number 1. We'll tap it out too, okay? Number 1. Say my word. Fin. Fin. Let's tap it on our arm. Do it all together first. Here we go. Fin. Let's tap it. Fin. What was that first sound we tapped out? What is our letter for that? Finny fish is the character. What's the letter? F. Let's tap it again. Say fin. Let's tap it. What is that one? I for Iggy Inchworm, right? Now we got to finish the word. Ready? Say it again. Fin. Here we go. What's that last sound, Quentin? What letter? N for Nina Newt. And what word did we just make? Fin, like a fish has a fin. You got it. Number 2. Now, this is not too bad. Listen. We're going to change. All you have to do is listen for the word fin, but it's a different word because there's one letter that's different. Say fan. Fan. Let's tap it. Ready? Go. Fan. Which sound changed? I heard an ah. Where was it? At the beginning, middle, or end? Middle. What letter is alligator for A. What was the first sound was still what? What letter do we write? F for finny fish. And you just told me the middle sound changed. It's not I. What was it? What letter? Apple. And for fan, what was the ending sound? Fan. Who's our character? Nina Newt. You got it. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you 2 words on your own to tap out and write. Try to get as many sounds as you can hear, okay? The first one is ran. Ran. Tap it. Go. Ran. Write the word ran as best you can. Use as many sounds you can hear. Ran. Write it. I'm not showing you on this one. You do it. Ran. Pencils high in the sky. Cover it, cover it, cover it. Shh. Ran. Write it. Good. What's the next one? What is next? Try it. You try. No, you've got to do it. That's good. No, that's good. We're doing it on our own. This is show what you know.
My favorite.
All right, if you don't know the rest of it, let's keep going.
Keep going.
Keep going. Number 4, say wrapped. Wrapped.
Alex, stop
Kira,
looking.
scoot up. Scoot up more. Way up. Way up.
Keep looking. Got to stop.
Wrapped. Tap it. Go. Tap it.